Hey guys, this is a 2010 Ford Edge. I want to show you how to replace your license plate lights. You have this little clip right here. Take a flathead screwdriver and pop that out. Little clip right there. And you push it on your license plate with this little surrounds in the way. And there you have your light. Alright, the next step is you have this right here. You want to twist this. I believe that would be counterclockwise. And there you have it. Now all you got to do is push in that bulb a little bit and pull out on it and replace your lamp right there. If you had trouble getting your old one out, I took a flathead screwdriver down in here, as you can tell, on the edge of it, and just pull up on it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask any questions, and have a nice day.